Hello and welcome to the Fix-It Shed. If you like to save money by doing things yourself, you're going to want to subscribe to this channel and click the bell. So we've got a snowstorm coming here in Pennsylvania, and it looks like it's already started to snow a little bit. So they are predicting significant snowfall in my area, 12 inches or so, and potential power outages. So not wanting to wait until the last minute, I went out and picked up this generator last night. So this is a used generator that I got off of Craigslist, but it looks to be in fairly good condition. So this is a 5,000 watt generator with a Briggs & Stratton engine. It's not big enough to run my entire house, but it will supply enough electricity to run the refrigerator, the furnace, the water pump, and a microwave and a few outlets. So basically it'll provide the essentials if the power should go out. I do want to go over some maintenance before I put it into service. Tonight, maybe. So one of the things I'm going to do is change the oil, and before I change the oil, I want to let it run a little bit. I did check it, it does have oil in it, but I want to warm up the oil so that it kind of churns up all the junk in the bottom of the crankcase and cleans it out when I drained it. I moved it outside to run it. So first thing, we're going to hit the on-off switch. We're going to turn the fuel on, and we're going to set the choke, and we're going to pull start it. So this is the fill plug for the oil, and this is the drain plug. That's pretty dark. Okay, that's done draining. I'm gonna leave the drip pan underneath there because you're supposed to fill this up right up to the lip. Let's go ahead and add some oil. That is full. Okay, put the cap back on. Alright, let's check out the air filter. Well, that looks nice and clean. Looks like new. Alright. Don't need to do anything there. So, judging by what I've seen so far, this is probably not necessary, but let's pull the spark plug out and see what we got. So I cleaned it up a little bit with a brass wire brush, but it looks to be in pretty good shape, so I'm just going to put it back in. Okay. Okay, that should be good to go. I would normally probably take this back outside to give it a quick test run, but it's really snowing and blowing out there, so I'm just going to open up the door a little bit. And again, when it turns on, turn on the fuel, set the choke. Turn off the fuel. We're good to go. This Husky generator is actually 10 years old. It has a date stamp of April 2010, but you wouldn't know that by looking at it. It's in excellent condition. So everything I checked looked clean and good, just needed an oil change. And it started really easily, so there's no issues with that. I think it was very well taken care of. I feel very lucky to have gotten it, and I think I got a good deal on it. So even though it was 10 years old, it was, new ones run for around $600. This one was $375, so I think it was a pretty good deal. So if you got something out of this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Take care. So it's a few days later. The storm has passed. The power did not go out, so I didn't get to use the generator, but I did get to use the Noma snow thrower that I made a video about a few months ago. So I was a little bit worried when we first started it because it really wasn't running real smooth, and I was kind of kicking myself that I didn't maybe do more to clean the carburetor or something like that. It would run, but I had to kind of leave the choke on a little bit. If I turned the choke off, the first time I turned the choke off, the engine actually just shut down. So I started it up again, and I left the choke on partway, and it ran. But what I found is that I ran it till it ran out of gas, and when I put fresh gas into it, then it ran better. Problem was the old gas that was in it. As I said, we didn't get much snow here last year, so the snowblower probably did not get run, so the gas was probably 2 years old. So it still has the problem with the auger spinning even when the lever isn't engaged, and I've been advised that probably there's a spring that's missing, and I will look into that and maybe make a future video. Thanks for watching. Take care.